Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how we can import text file which is .txt extension file in MS Excel. It is very simple, and to learn that you have to watch this video till the end. Let me show you the sample dataset which I have stored in text format. You can see it is 30 rows data with headers, and has 6 columns. As you can see, it is separated by comma. Each column is separated by comma, which is our delimiter. And we will use this comma, this delimiter, to separate our columns and rows in MS Excel while we import it in Excel. So let me open my Excel. I am opening a blank workbook, and here what you have to do to load data in Excel from the text format, you have to go to data tab, and here you can see an option of from text or CSV. Now I will click it here. Then I have to choose the data file which I have stored in text format. I have stored it in desktop, so I go here and click it here. Now a Power Query pre-window will open. If you want to do the same, you should have a updated version of MS Excel which have integrated Power Query system. So because of the artificial intelligence of Power Query, it is by itself separated our columns by delimiter and operated here comma. We can separate our data by any of the delimiter like tab, space, semicolon, etc. depending on the data set which we have. But our data set is separated by comma, so it is already stored in different columns. As you can see, we have 6 columns of ID, name, age, city, salary, and department. So it is okay, it is looking okay. So I don't have to go to transform data. I will click it here to load the data in Excel. Now Power Query will make it a table and load it into the Excel file. As you can see, it is a table made by Power Query window, and you can see we have all the 30 rows data here with our headers. You can also see in some formatting and design of the table by click here. I want to choose this, so I will choose this. And now your data is loaded. If you also have some text files and you want to import into Excel, you can follow the same simple steps. Thank you for watching the video.